Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Val. Today we're going to be playing with this palette right here by ColourPop. This is one of my favorites. If you haven't noticed, I absolutely love ColourPop. These are the shades that we're dealing with today. I have my eyes primed. I went ahead and primed with the Louise Base. I'm going to start out with the shade Duchess right here in this corner. Try and come in close, and I'm going to run that in my crease. I hope that I'm talking a little bit better today. I'm hoping that today is better. Still a little tender, but that's all right. I'm just using a fluffy Morphe brush to blend this out in my crease. I'm going to pick up my Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. I'm going to go into the shade Missy. Yeah, I think I will. I'm trying to decide between Damsel and Missy. I'm going to go into Damsel. And I'm going to deepen up that outer corner. And so we'll place that in the outer corner and drag it up into the crease. And I'm going to use a different brush. I am going to pick up my Younique angled shadow brush, and I'm going to use that to go in here. I'm going just above my crease. That way, when my eyes are open, you can see that color. And I'm going to take the JH40 brush, and we're going to do a little bit of blending. I like the lines that I have, but I want them diffused. So that's what I'm going to work on, is just trying to diffuse them out a little bit. I have a mirror down here that I'm looking into, so that's why I'm looking down. I'm going to take this shade and run it underneath my lash line. And I am just using the JH40 to do that. So for the lid shade, I'm going to go into this one right here. This one is called Empress, and I'm just going to take it dry. Kind of want to wet it. I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus, wet my brush. I really should have went in with some glitter glue. That would have helped this out a lot. So we've got that color on. I'm really liking the way that that's turning out. I'm going to take my shader, it's just a flat shader brush. And I'm going to go ahead and go into Duchess, which is the first shade that we started with. And I'm going to run this underneath the lash line, keeping it pretty tight and close. Just tying the colors in. Then I'm going to go into Damsel, which is the deep purple. And I'm going to run that under there. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this shade right here. That one is called Chick. And I like to bring my inner corner highlight, I like to bring it up and down so it's not just in the corner. I like to blend it in a little bit. I think I'm going to take this shade right here called Dainty, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. So lighter purple, has a little bit of a purple tint to it, so I think it'll just tie everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline using my Avon Super Shock gel liner. I'm going to go ahead and line my upper lash line using my Tarte Maneater. I'm going to go ahead and use the Nars Climax mascara. I'm going to throw this on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and threw on some mascara. I set my face and I used my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Setting Spray. For lips, I want to go in with my Stila lipstick in the shade Aubrey. And this is what that looks like. It's a super pretty color. If you've noticed, I'm not big on lining my lips, so I didn't line. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Be sure and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you in my next video.